Welcome to my channel. I'm bringing my nephew, two nephews, him and her, and my kiddo, to see the... No. So that's my niece right there.
Huh?
I'm recording. That's my niece, that's my nephew, and that's my little man over here. We're over here to see ice sculptures. So this is made of ice. Okay guys, let's go down there and look. So this ice sculpture is called World Championship. Today is the last day, and Minnesota team won. So I'm gonna show you up close here. You can see it's busy. They have a few of them. And the country, that means the flag is the country where the people who made the ice sculpture came from. So the kids are gonna have fun over here. You can see there is a bunch of people. Ice sculptures World Championship right here in Minnesota, Stillwater. I think that's Turkish flag. I'm not sure. It's kind of pretty cool. Look at that. It's made of ice. Go around.
I'm just looking at the front of the sculptures, honey.
It's from Mexico. Actually, I didn't know that's Mexican flag. So that's a team from Mexico. They made that thing right here. It's kind of pretty cool. Like it. There's a lot of details that the camera doesn't catch, so you can't appreciate the work here. Very detailed. The kids are having fun here, just looking at these things. Yeah.
He can't run.
That's from Ecuador. That's another country. It's called Ecuador.
Okay.
And that's what they made. It's called World Snow Sculpture. It's called Ecuador, right there.
Huh?
And that's Ecuadorian flag. I'm not even sure what this thing is. Can you find out what they made? Tell them to come back here. That's Canadian flag. And this is a thing here. I'm not sure what this thing is. It's very detailed. Because of the white background there, it's hard to tell what the thing is. But all these will melt in a week or two. But right now we just want to appreciate the art. So they have a little hole over there.
I wish we could go
Canadian sculpture. That one is from Ecuador, Ecuadorian, and Mexican. And this sculpture is team from Wisconsin. Says USA. WI Wisconsin team. So they made this. And they won a prize. I don't know. Minnesota was number one.
Why are you talking to?
I'm recording a video. And that's from Wisconsin.
I really made it.
So it's changing the world. It's hard to see. Right there, it's hard to see with the cloud, the white background over there. It says it's changing the world. That's Wisconsin thing. Looks like a lady face. I'm sure they look pretty cool at night. It's getting dark too. That's Wisconsin team. They made that. That's a Canadian from the side. This is Wisconsin from the side. It's very hard to see the details on camera, but it looks pretty cool. Over here I see another Canadian flag. So it seems like from Canada they had two teams. This on the side. I'll go in the front. It's a lot of details hard to capture on camera. Yeah, you can see that's Canadian team. So they made that. It's a lot of details again, but hard to catch that on camera with a white background. Everything made of snow over here. The lights just turned on because it's getting dark. That looks like a fish right there. Very detailed. Ice sculpture. And this here is a Germany team. It's called World Snow Sculpting Championship. So sculpting is a thing. It's from Germany. You see the German flag right there. So that's what they made. I'm not sure what that is. I think it's a planet or something. Yeah, looks good. A lot of details. There's another Canadian flag here, and they made this thing here. I'll show you the description, what it is. I forgot to show description for the others back there. But this one here, it says, everyone wants to eat, but few are willing to hunt.
This might be my second.
So I'm not sure what that is. It's about hunting or something. And that's another Canadian team.
Like, look at the details.
See down there. It says everyone wants to eat, but a few are willing to hunt. So that image, that's a thing over here. A lot of details. This one here doesn't have a flag, so I'm not sure which country the people who made it are from. I'll check in front over here. See if there's a description of what this thing is. Frozen backyard, that's what it says. That's another US team right here. It's another US team. Says slaying our demons. The description right there. So what you're looking at there, or fifth, that's an image. So that thing there, it's what is depicted right there in the image.
On second place.
Pretty cool. And you can see what this is. World Snow Sculpting Championship. That's Argentinian flag. So this sculpting is from, this team came from Argentina. And that's a description down there. It's in Spanish, so I can't read it. So that's what I made.
Right?
Help! Argentina!
Yeah,
Where's Portugal?
Messi.
so that's from Argentina. Yeah, Messi
Messi.
plays for Argentina.
No one
So that's Argentinian team. They made that thing. It's made by the team from Finland. So what you're seeing there, that's what they made. And that's a description. It's a swan. That's what it says, swan. So that's what they made. 2 swans, 3 swans, touching each other's beaks. 3 swans. So a team from Finland, they made those 3 swans right there. And over here, they have another thing. I don't know what this is. I'll find out which country made it and what it is. This is made by Turkey team. And the description is down there.
I'm guessing it's one of these here. I'm guessing it's one of the other.
So that's what they made.
So that must be first right there.
And that's what it is. Team from Turkey. This one here is made by a Minnesota team and it won the championship. I'll show you right here.
They see stuff like that. That's like advanced kind of technique.
So that's Minnesota.
There's also all the perspective too. So like right behind the blue pillar there, when the kids get there, they're about 3 feet tall.
Yeah,
They
first
turn and look at it,
place.
the face is cold. There's no big block missing.
So you figure they were about a ton for every trip?
It's a 10-ton square. So 8 foot carrot. It's a 10 foot.
I'm really not sure what it is, but I have a description over here.
Makes it pretty.
And I can let you read that in a second.
It's 2,000 pounds.
So that's what it
You'll
says.
see it. How long did it take you to do this?
I just overheard a guy say it took them 74 hours to build that. It's hard to appreciate the details on camera. So that's what won the championship. Team from Minnesota, USA. All right, that's a tour of the World Championship sculpting from Stillwater, Minnesota. Subscribe, give us a like, peace out.